In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jira workflows. To get started, open Jira and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. From that Settings menu, choose the area for work types or issues, depending on how your Jira interface is labeled. This is where you will find the configuration options related to how work moves through your projects. Next, look to the left-hand side and select Workflows. This section lets you create, edit, and manage the paths your issues follow from start to finish. If you don't already have a workflow you want to use, click Add Workflow, and then choose Create New. If you already have a workflow and just want to make changes, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Edit. After that, click Edit next to your new workflow to open the visual diagram view. This is the part of Jira where you can clearly see each stage in your process and how they connect. It's a very useful view because it helps you build the workflow in a more visual and intuitive way. Now it's time to add statuses. Click Add Status, then enter a name for each step in your workflow. As you create each status, assign it to a category such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. These categories help Jira understand where each step fits in the overall life cycle of the work. Try to name your statuses clearly so anyone using the project can immediately understand what each stage means. Once your statuses are in place, add transitions between them. You can do this by clicking Add Transition or by dragging a line from one status node to another in the diagram. Transitions define how an issue moves from one stage to the next. So make sure the flow matches the real process your team follows. When you are finished building the workflow, click Update Workflow to save your changes. Saving at this point ensures your setup is preserved before you move on to linking it with a project. The next part is assigning the workflow through a workflow scheme. Go back to the Work Types area, then select Workflow Schemes. Click Add Workflow Scheme, enter a name and description. And then click Add. After the scheme is created, click Add Workflow from the drop-down and choose Add Existing. Click Next, then attach an issue type, such as a task, epic, or story, and click Finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.